Here's a gorgeous Paganne, 41 in length, sleeve 23. Check that out. Beautiful. And let's look. Paganne, Paganne, Paganne. Love it. So this is Jean Burke for Paganne. Beautiful dress, in condition. Gorgeous. Wow. Love it. You love it? I love it. So it's like a honeycomb pattern, I guess. Honeycomb, won't you be my baby? Honeycomb, be my own. The bust measures 18, and then the waist stretches with ease, starting at 13, and it has a great deal of flexibility. It has a nice elastic sewn into it. More Paganne, Paganne, Paganne. Everywhere it says Paganne. Paganne. Okay, this is absolutely stunning.